Hi, it's Brent here from Terrain Tamer, and I'm fortunate enough to be at All 4x4 Spares and to talking to Peter Haylock, the founder of All 4x4 Spares. Peter, can you just share with us a little bit about the magic that happens from a parts interpreting side? Because I see parts bought at general auto parts stores, and I see how busy your phone room is and the amount of questions that and length they go to get the right part. Do you find there's a different language there?
Yes. The correct name for a spare parts person in the motor trade is a spare parts interpreter. And in four-wheel drive, and to specialize, you need to be a specialist parts interpreter, and more than just interpret the parts, have a knowledge of how they fit, where they fit, tolerances involved.
Yep.
That's why we're fortunate that most of our staff have four-wheel drives, have worked on them,
Yep.
and have a knowledge of the actual working of it, whereas if you work for a manufacturer of spare parts, you look up a spare parts book, and either that's the part or it isn't. We need to provide our customers with specialized advice, and that's what we do through training and knowledge.
Yeah, it's a good point, because there's so many ways that you can strengthen a vehicle from its original equipment. So those spare parts books might not then help, because you need to lift the vehicle 2 inches or strengthen the driveline. So yeah, that experience is crucial. Are you finding it's becoming more and more important, or less so?
More and more important. As the vehicles get more technical,
Yeah.
people are not repairing their engines as they do, but mainly because there is not the technical knowledge of computers available for people to do it, or within the realms of financial possibility. But people want to accessorize their vehicles, and they're looking for good sound advice, and that's what they need, and that's what they get here, and that's what they get with your product. And it's easy to say that, but that's what's developed in 30 years of trading together.
Yeah.
We have a reliability in your product.
Yeah, terrific, and it's interesting to watch, and it's great because there's so many years put into R&D before it gets to there for it to be appreciated. So all your Terrain Tamer parts can be found at All 4x4 Spares. That's really where the magic happens, is when you talk to the parts interpreter and be able to benefit from all that knowledge they have there. So give them a call and you'll be able to find all the Terrain Tamer parts there already in stock.